This is QuickPix. Okay, everybody, welcome back to another episode of QuickPix. This is Al. Listen, I gotta whisper because everybody in the production house is sound asleep. But I cannot sleep because I am so excited that the Vhs High School Girls Basketball team are the district champs. So listen, I won't waste time because I don't want to wake anybody up because I don't want to get put out of the production house. So let's get those layers in the box and let's get this thing going. Let's go. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in to QuickPix. Until the next time, stay productive.